guys, my name is Tej and welcome back. In today's video, I want to share with you guys the best crypto exchanges in 2021. Please check the links to these websites in the description box below for more information. So without further ado, let's get to it. Number 1. Coinbase. The most widely known cryptocurrency exchange in the United States is Coinbase. Coinbase was founded in 2012, not long after the release of Bitcoin's code in 2009, and it is a fully regulated and licensed cryptocurrency exchange. Coinbase currently has a license to operate in over 40 US states and territories. Coinbase offers an extremely easy-to-use exchange while greatly lowering the barrier to entry for cryptocurrency investments. Coinbase also offers insured custodial wallets for investors and traders to store their investments. These custodial accounts are very convenient for newer users just getting their feet wet, but the private keys to the coins within them are owned by the Coinbase. It charges a fee between $0.99 and $2.99 depending on the dollar value of the purchase. Some of the pros are that you get a solid variety of altcoin choices. There is an extremely simple user interface and you get very high liquidity. Whereas some of the cons that I would like to mention is that there is high fees when you are not using the Coinbase Pro, and also user does not control the wallet keys. Also, Coinbase Pro is perfect next step for those who have learned how to use Coinbase and would like to use some of their advanced features. Number 2. CashApp. CashApp is a peer-to-peer money transfer system much like Venmo. This type of service allows users to split food, pay rent to a roommate, or even shop online at a retailer that supports CashApp. CashApp can essentially act as a bank account and users can have their own CashApp debit cards. CashApp allows its users to invest in stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrency in a similar fashion that Robinhood does. The mobile-first interface that this exchange uses is very easy to figure out and use, making it ideal for a first-time investor. While it offers a payment system like Venmo and an investment platform like Robinhood, CashApp differs in that it allows the users to withdraw cryptocurrency investment to your own wallet. This is the main reason that we chose CashApp over Robinhood as the best option for beginners looking to buy Bitcoin. Some of the pros are that you have the ability to withdraw Bitcoin. You get extremely simple user interface. There is also a 3% charge when spending money via linked credit card. When it comes to fees, CashApp charges a service fee for each transaction. It also charges a fee determined by price volatility. These fees change depending on the market's activity. Number 3. Binance. The Binance exchange is an exchange that was founded in 2017 with a strong focus on altcoin trading. Binance offers over 100 different trading pairs between different cryptocurrencies. When it comes to fees, there is 0.1% for the taker side and 0.1% for the maker side. This scales down with trade volume to 0.02% for both sides of the trade. But if you use Binance native cryptocurrency, which is BNB, the fees will be lowered by 25%. It does offer some fiat crypto pairs, but most of its pairs are between cryptocurrencies. As of April 2021, Binance dominates the global exchange space, making up a significant portion of crypto trading volume daily. The exchange only allows for US dollar deposits by global users via SWIFT, but it does allow you to directly purchase a select number of cryptocurrencies with a credit or a debit card. It has comparatively lower fees and you get a large variety of cryptocurrencies and trading pairs. Some of the cons that you should know about Binance is that it might be geared up for more advanced users. But overall, Binance is best suited for people who would like to trade or invest in a lesser known altcoins. The next up we have is called Bisq. Bisq is a downloadable software and peer-to-peer decentralized Bitcoin and crypto exchange. This means that Bisq has no central point of failure and cannot be taken down, much like Bitcoin itself. This differs from centralized exchanges like Coinbase, as Coinbase controls the user's fund in a custodial account to which the user does not have private keys. In that scenario, Coinbase holds the right to seize your funds if it deems your account as suspicious. Bisq is instantly accessible to anyone with a computer or a smartphone, as there is no registration process or KYC rule. This also makes it ideal for those looking for privacy dependent living within an oppressive regime or anyone who does not have any government-issued identification. Bisq offers trading of several different fiat currencies, including USD, as well as Bitcoin and a number of other cryptocurrencies. Its decentralized and peer-to-peer characteristics can mean low trading volumes and slower transaction, but for some, this is well worth it. So that's all for now, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please don't forget to check the links in the description box below to check out these websites. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.